I would like to thank, first of all, the Chief Ministry of the Eastern Province for its dynamic vision and the long-term association that it is planning to have with everybody, with all the investors, not only from the technology front, not only from the other various investors. It is a pleasure to specifically mention that the Chief Ministry is so dynamic in taking such steps, which is an encouraging platform that is being offered to all the investors, not only in India, not only on various platforms. It is another occasion that I would like to thank the Chief Ministry for. It has very quickly identified the sites that we have requested them to identify. Let me first begin with the guided tour of the project. Now, the project is an integrated science and technology park within the smart city. That's the concept that we have come out with. And I would like to begin with my interaction with the Honorable Chief Minister and the Ministry officials during the Invest in East 2016 that was held in Colombo. So after that, we got very good proactive approaches, and then we started interacting with the ministry officials and then also with the Chief Minister. And now we have developed this concept, which is in the range of around around 500 million USD within a span of 3 to 4 years. Well, this particular venture has been conceptualized by us, which will also have health tourism sector. That is, we are going to create one health tourism cluster, which will also encourage tourism industry, as well as the health seekers from various other countries. Now, we are also having one IT college, which will also cater to the local youth in imparting the skills-based training, which will be very, very useful for the local industry as well as for our future operations as well. And we are also going to create almost, this particular venture, when completed, will create almost 50,000 jobs approximately, that is indirectly as well as directly. And this is something which is a milestone in the history of Eastern Province, I believe. Sure. If I can say that. And first of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Nasir Ahmed, and then Mr. Samantha, and then Mr. Faiz, and everybody here. The encouraging atmosphere that is prevailing in the Eastern Province and the dynamism shown by the ministry officials is a major factor which has made us to come up with this kind of investment. We are basically technology people. Now we are bringing in investment plus technology as well as human resources to a considerable extent to give a big boost to the economy. We will be starting our venture very soon, and you would definitely have a win-win situation with India and with the technology partners, with investment partners also.